Come on, we are here. Share. This is not a joke.
Comes to Lion Mark TV, Mark Airways, another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one, it's about Cubana Chief Priest. You know, like this guy has lately been working on two different projects. He's building his house in Owerri, and at the same time building the X Shrine Club in Asaba. You see, say money too much, Abi. The money too much, everywhere choke. And in this one, he decided to work on the road that leads to his new house. You know, it's okay to always say that when you have money, the people around your environment or your neighborhood should feel the good impact that, okay, there is a millionaire or there is a billionaire living around the premises. That's what he was doing here, and that's what I'll be sharing here. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Come on, we are here. Share. This is not a joke.
You might say this road is only doing it because he has a house around this environment. Yes, it's true. If his property was not here, he would not do the road. Yeah, and it's true, but the impact the road will act to the people around the neighborhood is also great. He's not the only one who will be driving on the road, right? First, that's number one. Secondly, he's also creating development around that environment. These are the factors you need to consider when criticizing someone or say that he did this road because the road is close to his house. Yes, he has billionaire friends, he has millionaire friends who will pay him visit, and he will not want their cars to have issues when accessing his compound or his mansion, and that's the main reason why he's doing the road. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us what you think about this video. Visit us on our blog at Lion Mark TV. See you guys.